I hope you had an amazing day today. I know I did because I live in Duluth, Minnesota. Tonight we are going to make just kind of an outrageous chicken salad. It's fun. This one does take a little time and prep, but it's so worth it. So what we're starting off with here, this is just a little bit of iceberg lettuce, arugula, because I love arugula. There's some fresh avocado in here, a little bit of freshly chopped cabbage, and I think that's about it that's in here right now. So this is our base. On a side note, you want to chop your veggies fresh. Buying them pre-chopped in a bag, they don't last as long and they get contaminated a lot more than anything else. Anyway, so this is our base. We are going to, in the meantime, cook up this chicken here. This is chicken that has just been marinating in a little bit of olive oil, a lot of Trader Joe's spices. I love Trader Joe's spices. And I hope they come to Duluth one day. Anyway, it's cooking in, or it's been marinating in this sauce for a little bit. And then I added just a little bit of honey, because this is gonna be a sweet salad. And while we're cooking the chicken, that honey is just gonna kind of crystallize and make the chicken so succulent. To that, this is the longest part, we are going to add, we're gonna saute up some golden beets because they're nice and sweet. We are going to eventually add pear to the beets and cook those. And then to top it off, we're gonna just add some fresh strawberries, a little fresh sliced red onion, and some blue cheese. If you don't like blue cheese, number one, I feel sorry for you. And if you don't, you can add any kind of cheese you want to it if you need it. And then we're gonna top it off with some sesame seeds. Boop. We'll show you how it all works. Coming up. And I don't know if you can see this, but the chicken looks charred, but it's just that sweet honey that's just getting kind of crystallized into the thing. The chicken is at a perfect 165 degrees temp, and so now we're gonna take it off. We're gonna top our salad with some balsamic vinegar and some olive oil. If you don't like those or have it, a little country French won't do you any harm. Have a beautiful night. I wish you all the best and a beautiful evening.